car maker A created a 6-cylinder engine that they claimed was as fuel efficient as the 4-cylinder engine made by car maker B. Road tests were conducted using identically sized cars, and miles per gallon for each engine was recorded. Based on the data in Table 7, what would you conclude about the claim by car maker A? Okay, so our null hypothesis would be that there is no difference in the fuel mileage or the gas mileage between the two cars. So with our null hypothesis in place, we now go to our table and analyze the data. And in this particular case, we are not pairing the information. Besides that, we have a different N for column A and a different N for column B. So we go up to data, we go to data analysis, and then we're going to go to t-test to sample assuming equal variances. We click on OK, and we're asked for the variable 1 range. So that's going to be car A, and I'm going to include the label. So I click on the A and scroll down to highlight all the data for car A. And then I go to variable 2 range, and that'll be B. So again, since I used the label for A, I'm going to use the label for B. Click, hold, and drag down over the data for car B. My hypothesized mean difference is 0. We're assuming no difference between the two. I have my check mark by my labels. My alpha level is going to be 0.05, and I'm going to put my output in cell Q32. I click on OK. Then I go down to Q32 to see the results. And we'll notice comparing A and B, we'll notice that the means are somewhat different, but to determine if there is a significant difference, I need to look at my t-stat, my calculated t-statistic, and compare that with my critical value. So if I go down to my t-stat, my calculated t-statistic, I notice that it is negative 7.34, and my critical value is 2.03. Now remember, we don't pay any attention to the negative signs, we just simply consider the absolute values, and in this case 7.34 is greater than 2.03. Therefore we reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference. And then we can go back up and we can look, and we'll see that car B actually had a higher mean than car A. So therefore car A's claim that they got equal to or greater than gas mileage than car B is false. So again, we looked at our calculated t-statistic. The t-statistic was greater than the critical value, so we rejected the null hypothesis that there was no difference. We went back up and looked at the means, and we saw the gas mileage for car B was higher than that for car A.